Alright guys, so welcome to today's video tutorial. So today is not actually a tutorial, it's going to be a make money online stuff, how you can make quick money online. So I came across a new method, a new opportunity that you can actually jump on. Yes, you can actually jump on right now and make good profits within 4 minutes, within 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. You can make huge profit with this powerful method. So a friend of mine, actually one of my subscribers, reached out to me that he has a new method that is actually making him crazy money, for the past few weeks during this lockdown. So I actually checked it out and I thought that, wow, this is amazing, but I actually wanted to see more proof since I haven't started doing it. So he sent me a screenshot from his members area and the stuff has been really blowing up my mind. So that's what I want to share with you guys. And with this method, you can make 5,000 naira, 10,000, 20, 50,000 naira very fast in minutes, and you withdraw your money to bank in minutes instantly. And though there are criteria you're going to need, you need some requirements which I'm going to explain to you very soon. So if you are up for this, you want to learn how you can do this, how you can take advantage of this opportunity, how to make cool money without doing any work. Then, because you don't need to, you don't have to do any work. This is not marketing, this is not traffic, this is not referral, nothing. You are not doing any work at all, and you are going to make a lot of profits, real money instantly. Just like in one click, you're going to make money. So that's what I'm going to be revealing to you right inside this video. So let me head over now to the offer, what it's about, and show you exactly what it is. So okay, here is my own page. So I reached out to my friend and he said, I told him I want to share with my followers, with my subscribers, and he should give me a special discount. And I'm going to be surprised. You are going to be surprised with the discount you're going to get in on this. So there's a link under this video. Just scroll down to the video, to the description section of this video. Click on the link right there. It's going to bring you to this page where you get access, to pick up this powerful method to make money online, to make quick money online. So actually this method is a perfect system that you can always copy and you can continue to repeat and repeat and repeat, and you make huge money in minutes. You make huge money in minutes, instant profits. So okay, if you check on the page, you're going to see proof of the proof I actually shared. That you can see I made 30k yesterday. You can see with UBA Africa, they made 30k yesterday. And this is one of the bonus you're going to get. Is that someone made over 107,000 naira. You can see here someone made 6k. Okay, 200k gives 30k profits. 6k he got 900 naira. And then here you can see somebody made I got up to 5k this morning. So you can see, so that's a lot of people are already doing this business and they're actually killing it. They are making money without doing any work. They are not doing any money. So if you have any money in your bank account that you are not using, or you have money lying down somewhere, you can use that money and turn it into huge profits. Yes, and make huge profits with it. This is not things that you have to, I've said earlier on, it is not about traffic, it is not about affiliate promotions, it is not about creating your own products, it is not about all these hard things that you need to do. This is a very a very powerful strategy that can make you real money instantly. Within minutes you're going to make a whole lot of money. So what's this system about? It's actually about a one click profit system. One click profit system. So let me just scroll to okay, yeah, you're also getting some bonuses when you pick up this when you get access to this powerful method to make money. You're going to get you're going to get a bonus on how to make 20 to 50k uploading simple books to Amazing. Like I showed you earlier on, someone made about 107,000 naira doing that. And you're going to get a course also on how to make from 100k or more just uploading videos to YouTube, and how to get $100 Bing ads coupon for less than 4,000. So you're going to get the secrets to all of that. But the major thing I actually want you to go for is how you can start this hot powerful business that you can see. This is last week 8th of last week. You can see 22,000 naira profits withdrawn to bank. You can see this is I'm trying to see Okay, I'm trying to see the time. You can see the later on, after 3 hours again, that same day you can see 15,000 naira. That same day again you can see 15,000 naira. So you can see, then you can see again like that all last week 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 22,000, 7,500, 6,000, 6,700. So you can see this is profitable. You are not doing any work. You are not doing any work. It's very, in fact, it takes about 4 minutes. You just watch the video, step-by-step guide. The video training is just brief you through about this website that you are going to be working on that will turn your money to profits. The video is very short, and once you watch the video, you take action and then you begin to make profit. Just 3 things you're going to need. I think I need to mention that you need number 1, you need your ID card. Yes, you need an ID card, a national ID card. Sorry. Okay, this is it. Number 1 is you need a bank account. You need a bank account to do this, your Nigerian bank account. Number 2, you need a government issued ID card, your national ID card, voter's card, driver's license, international passport, any of those ones. But you cannot use your NIN slip. Yes, you can't use your NIN slip for this business. And then number 3 is you need just access to the internet. It could be your mobile phone, your Android phone, or a laptop, iPad, or whatever. That's what you need to get started, on this platform, and you begin to be in profit. So actually this guy wanted to say this course for 15,000 naira. Yeah, for 15,000 naira. But because I told him, I know him very well, he's my very good friend and he's a loyal guy, so I told him, no, I don't want 15,000. Please reduce the price. I know it's working, I know people are making money, and I've seen the proof and everything. Just help me reduce the price. So he said he's going to give me 5,000 naira. I said, okay, if you are going to give me 5, I know normally I should get some affiliate commission. Take away my affiliate commission. I don't want to earn commission on this. Just bring the price down. Let my people just get access to this and let them make money as well. So right now he actually gave me access. Even with the bonuses, you get the bonuses, and then it's giving access to just 10 persons, 10 people for just 3,000 naira. So if you click on the link under this video, it's going to bring you to this page. If you can still see this if you can still see this section right here, this section, and you can see 3,000 naira right here. So just go ahead, click on it. It's going to take you to the payment page on Paystack, where you will make your payments and you get access to everything for just 3,000 naira. Remember, this system, you don't need to do any work to get into profit. You are not doing any work at all. No traffic, no email marketing, no referral, nothing hard, nothing difficult at all. Just it's so powerful. I don't know how to say. Just any money you have somewhere lying around, you can use that money, and make profits within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes you make money, and you withdraw your money instantly to your bank, to the bank that you have used to sign up on that account, on that website. It's very fast, it's very simple, and I don't want you to miss out on this. People are already getting in already. I would have showed you proof from my email. People are already actually signing up to this platform, and they're making money already. But just go ahead and then go and reserve your spot now. I don't know how long this is going to, I don't know how long this price is going to remain right here. But if you go right now, click on the link under this video, and you click and you come to this page, just use this link and then get access. It's going to take you to here. It's going to bring you right here, and then you get access to pick it up. You just contact the guy, my friend, selling it for just 2,000, and then going to add you up to the WhatsApp group, and then send you the short minutes video training so that you know how to get started, and you start doing the work yourself. And before you know it, before the end of today, you can make 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, or 50,000 naira just from this hot money business. So don't sleep on this, please. Don't doubt this. People are making serious money doing just this business I'm revealing to you. So go ahead, click on the link under this video, pick up this it's going to bring you to this page right here. This page right here, go through the page. This is my own for my subscribers, for you exactly. Check through it, and then you're going to love it. You can see this headline here, see proof. You can see I just sent a mail for my to my email list people, to my email list, my subscribers on emails, and I actually sent in that email, I sent screenshot proofs of earning, of withdrawals from the platform. So please go ahead. The spots is very limited, just 10 persons. Go ahead, click on the link under this video, secure your own spot. It's just 3,000 naira you're going to pay. So please be fast, go pick it up. It is a special discount. Pick it up for 3,000 naira. secure your spot. And once you secure your spot, you can comment under this video, or you can contact me on Facebook. Yes, you can contact me on Facebook right here for your bonuses, and then I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to send you your bonuses. Or if it's on Telegram, you can reach me out on Telegram. And if you're not my friend on Facebook, go ahead and send me a friend request. I'm going to accept you. Let's connect together. And remember, if you have questions, you can ask me here on Facebook, or you can drop it under this video on YouTube. And one more thing, if you are just new to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I share quality stuff like this. Once in a while, I share quality stuff that make people money online like this, and I share hardcore free trainings on how to build a profitable business online. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anavi. I really appreciate you for taking out time to watch through to the end of the video. Don't forget, you have 3 things to do right now. Number 1 is subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. Number 2, if you have any question, you can comment under this video or contact me on Facebook. I'm going to drop a link to my Facebook profile right under this video. Contact me on Facebook and ask me questions about this business or any other thing leading to making money online or online business. And number 3 is go ahead and pick up these calls and then get my bonuses. You can make money with this. I'm not, I can't just create time and create my own custom page like this and then start making video and then promoting rubbish that does not work. No, people are making money with this, and if you join today, you can withdraw any amount you wish to withdraw, today, before the end of today. So go ahead, click on the link under this video. I don't know how much I'm gonna I just wanted to get inside, but go ahead, take the risk, put the risk on me. Click on the link under this video, check out the sales page, and then go ahead and use the special discount on the page. It's 3,000 right now for just few people. It might be increased to 20 or 30 or 50, but just go ahead and secure your own spot, get access to the members area, and use this thing and make money. You will make real money without doing any work. It's going to surprise you. In minutes, you're going to make a lot of money. So okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and click on the link under this video and go make some money. I'm going to see you on the other side. Thank you for watching. My name is John Anavi Olore. Thank you. Bye bye, and enjoy the rest of your day.